Welcome to week 6, evaluation and feedback. This week we're going to be talking about responsive instruction in a distance education format, and we'll also discuss how to use student evaluation and feedback to improve our instructional effectiveness. So first, you'll explore module or submodule 6.1, Learning from Students. So the first is an article about student evaluations and kind of defending the use of them in our courses. So it's something that instructors sometimes really dread. Students hate filling them out, but they do serve some value to us. Another article that you're going to look at is called 5 Reasons You Should Seek Your Own Feedback. So ways to develop your own surveys that you can use to get feedback to use from your students. Making student feedback work. And then Teaching Eval Shakeup is another link they're going to take a look at, so you can start thinking about ways that you can probe your students to learn more about how they're doing in your course and how they're responding to the way you've structured your lessons, your units, your modules, how they navigate the course. So just looking into your practice and getting a little bit of feedback from the students on it. Then module 6.2 takes it a step further and goes into how you actually go about gathering this meaningful feedback. So there are a ton of resources within these web pages and links that give you some sample questions that you can use, apps that you can use, and other technology that can help you to solicit feedback from your students. You have 2 assignments that are due this week. The first one is the Feedback Tools Share Out, and the second one is a feedback tool. Our discussion board this week is called Feedback Tools, and it's a little different than some of the other discussion boards that we've done so far. So you're going to take what you learned about student feedback and design some kind of tool that you can use to elicit feedback. So this could be a formative assessment that you make, a poll. So what I want you to do is post on the discussion board what your idea is, but you cannot repeat a tool or an idea that someone else in our course has used. So this might motivate you to get your post in as early as possible so that someone else doesn't take your idea before you get a chance to post it. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. For your assignment, I want you to review what everyone was talking about on the discussion board in terms of how they're going to get feedback from their students, and pick a couple of tools that you would like to incorporate into your course. So pick a couple of the tools that you think would work for you, and then discuss how you would use that tool, the feedback that you anticipate receiving from it, and then sort of talk a little bit about why we collect feedback in the first place and how this feedback tool can help you to achieve that goal. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week.